my name's Nathan and I'm from Essex. I'm a firefighter. We attend many instances where we need to be able to see clearly what we're doing. That can range from anything from road traffic collisions to like a field fire, for example, where we need to be able to see across long distance. So it's important in that role that we have, good vision. Yeah, so like going back to what I said a minute ago, if we go to like a field fire, for example, we work in quite dusty, dirty, quite sweaty conditions because it happens, in the height of the summer. And wearing contacts or glasses just isn't ideal in them situations. Yeah, it is frustrating because I have to wear, I was wearing contacts before, or I wear glasses, and yeah, I just felt like it got in the way of my day-to-day work. I've always got to worry about, before I start shift, I've always got to have my contacts in, ready to go. Sometimes if I'm in a bit of a rush, I'm always worrying about I've got my contacts, wearing my glasses, that sort of thing. It does get in the way of day-to-day life. It's more a build-up really. So since I've been in this job, especially working nights as well, wearing contacts overnight when you're tired, it's not comfortable. Your eyes get quite dry and sore wearing them overnight. So I've always wanted to sort of get this done. So it's sort of like a build-up, if you like. It's just it's just frustrating because it's hard to explain, but obviously I've always worn contacts, I've always worn glasses, so there's always something extra to think about before I go out. I had LASIK and I had the eye design. Social media. I think I just see it as an advert come up on Instagram one day. I think I found out probably about 3 months later, so I'd actually sort of forgotten about it. And then all of a sudden I got the email, and initially I wasn't sure if it was like real or not. Yeah, so far so good. Really good communication. I haven't really had to do much to be fair. I've always had people call me, tell me where to go and what day, and really clear and concise sort of instructions. So I got here, and the first thing I had to do was I had to have a few tests done, just to check my eyesight again, to make sure there was no changes since my consultation. I then spoke to the surgeon before the surgery, just to go through a few things, ask them any questions, any concerns I had, and then obviously I signed the consent forms. And then following on from that, I went into the surgery room and had my surgery. Roughly a week before the surgery, he had a FaceTime appointment from home where he went through the surgery and what was going to happen on the day and any concerns I had. And then yesterday when I saw him, he was really good. Offered me lots of reassurance. Again, if they had any concerns, any questions, and throughout the whole surgery, he was continually talking to me, reassuring me, explaining to me what he was doing. So yeah, it put me in peace. Yeah, this morning, really good. Yes, I felt like brand new. I had no pain this morning. It was back, my eyes felt back to normal again. The first thing I did was look out the window, and it was just, I could see. I saw one of your colleagues a short while ago, and had my eyes tested, and I've now got better than perfect vision. So yeah, really happy to reach out. I won't have to worry about contacts and glasses anymore. So it just means I've got just one less thing to think about when I'm at work. Just little things like, it's not even necessarily at work. I've been on holiday last year, and it was like, if I wanted to go swimming, for example, I'd have to take my contacts out, and then if I take my contacts out, I can't see very well, so you've got to make that decision, between certain things. So it's having that freedom now to be able to go out and do whatever I like without having to worry about my vision and having to wear contacts or glasses. It's not as bad as I think you think initially. Like, I think the thought of a laser in your eye is quite scary, but if I'm honest with you, you don't really even know about it, and it's over within a couple of minutes.